Welcome to Cyber Theo. If you're always on the go and need a reliable way to keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, then you know how important it is to have a good tumbler. In today's video, I'll be sharing the pros and cons of the 3 best tumblers, helping you decide which one is worth adding to your collection. Let's dive in. YETI Rambler 20-ounce Tumbler. Pros. Durable construction. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, this tumbler is incredibly tough and resistant to dents and rust. Excellent temperature retention. The double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, perfect for long trips or outdoor activities. No sweat design. The exterior stays dry, so you won't have to worry about condensation. Dishwasher safe. Easy to clean, as it's dishwasher safe, which adds to its convenience. Cons. Price. Yeti products are generally on the pricier side, so it might be a bit of an investment. Size. The 20-ounce size might be too small for those who prefer larger drinks or want to carry more at once. Hydro Flask 22-ounce Tumbler. Pros. Exceptional insulation. The TempShield insulation technology keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 6 hours, making it perfect for any weather. Pro-grade stainless steel. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable and resistant to flavor transfer, so your drinks always taste fresh. Wide mouth design. The wide mouth makes it easy to add ice cubes and clean the tumbler thoroughly. Customizable. Available in a variety of colors and compatible with different lids, allowing you to personalize your tumbler. Cons. Lid design. The standard lid isn't leak-proof, which can be a downside if you're carrying it in a bag. Price point. Similar to YETI, Hydro Flask tumblers come with a higher price tag. Contigo AutoSeal West Loop 20-ounce Tumbler. Pros. AutoSeal technology. The AutoSeal lid is completely leak-proof and spill-proof, making it ideal for commuting or traveling. One-handed operation. Designed for convenience, you can easily drink with one hand by pressing a button to open the lid. Temperature retention. Keeps drinks hot for up to 5 hours and cold for up to 12 hours, which is quite good for a tumbler in this price range. Affordability. Compared to premium brands like YETI and Hydro Flask, the Contigo tumbler is more budget-friendly. Cons. Cleaning difficulty. The AutoSeal lid has a more complex design, which can make it harder to clean thoroughly. Less durable. Made from thinner materials, it might not be as durable as higher-end options, especially if dropped. There you have it, the pros and cons of the 3 best tumblers of 2024. Whether you prioritize durability, insulation, or affordability, there's a tumbler here to fit your needs. If this video helped you decide on your next tumbler, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo. Check my links below for more content.